The Zonal Office Northeast of the Indian Council of Cultural Relations in Shillong organized a cultural exchange program in collaboration with the Panaliar Women's Welfare Organization yesterday. The event featured a performance by the Knights Association Kumpanjiji Balto, a cultural troupe from Croatia, at the beautiful Yungwale Panaliar in Juwai. During his address, Zonal Director of ICCR, Munish Singh, emphasized the importance of preserving and exchanging cultures. He expressed his belief that ICCR could organize a team visit to Croatia, further strengthening cultural ties between the two nations.
Like that, we need to preserve our culture. Like that, we need to exchange the culture, as Basalam was saying. Someday, I believe ICCR can take a team from here to Banikola's, country in Croatia. So like that, things should work out, and we should be proud of our own traditional culture.
The Meghalaya Cycling Association